type of cars. Make sure we live. But anyway, yeah, they got all these different types of cars here, y'all. We up here at Yello Belly, we live. Hood track, make sure y'all coming in, hitting that share button, the like button, dale me gusta. Yeah, suscríbete, all that. Make sure you got that intake. We about to see. But anyways, as I just got here, this the first thing I seen, y'all. Ooh, this thing clean. That's why it's the thumbnail, cause it's clean. I don't know if it's fast, but it's clean. We're gonna see if it's fast in a few minutes, y'all. But they got a lot of other little clean little toys out here. We're gonna go walk around and see what's up. Julian Griffin, Bill Gates, DB Knife, Eric Davis. Look out. Tommy Cook, Luke McNeely, no capitals. Look out, look out. Mr. 1972 is 1980 something in the world that I grew up in. Okay. Keith Aldridge, look out, look out. Jet Black, what's up with it, man? Full pass. Okay. Got a little beetle out here, y'all. Got a little boom boom out here. Okay, who it is? Okay, they got some juice over here. Look out, how y'all doing?
Oh, nothing but just making a pizza. How about yourself?
Shoot, ready to eat the pizza.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I want some hamburger with pepperoni.
You drinking tonight?
I'm thinking
Where's
about
the Buchanans? One time for the
I
one time.
I gotta see if they bring the Buchanans up here, man.
Yeah. He started it. He said Buchanans, and at the end of the night, he's like, "Hey, where that Bukkake?"
Yeah, where is that?
A Bukkake, sir.
Yeah, where the Buchanan at, man? Shit, I be changing the name up. Every shot, I lose a letter. Where that Buchanan at? Where is that? G all day, Yello Belly rocks. We got Mad Cow Mark in here.
You know how we rocking tonight?
Look out, we rocking tonight. Look out, look out. Don't let them know, man. You got that intake, don't you?
Okay, right there.
Yeah. Where you at? Is you? Let me see what you done did too.
Fully bolt on.
Fully bolt on.
Single turbo.
What? Single turbo?
Yeah, it's at the bottom though.
Dang. Who did the work?
On me.
You ain't do all that.
On everything.
He said it's on him, man. Okay.
We got it on.
Okay.
SRT.
They got the SRT in this. Everybody that came out. Everybody that came out tonight. Let me see what else we got over here. Roto Fab. Oh yeah? Y'all gonna tell me the joke too? I wanna laugh. Somebody got a 6.2 for sale or something?
Nah, man, this guy over here is a black car.
Yeah.
Claims to be a Hemi 5.7, but you know, you full of shit.
Yeah, but he really got a 6.4.
You don't finna gap that ass though.
You finna gap him anyway, even though he was lying? Dang, y'all. He say he finna get him, old boy over here lying, telling me he got a 5.7, thinking he finna get something soft with these forges on the front. But they said they finna get him. We got Elvis over here. La Porsche on the line. She said you better have been here. She said you better have been here jamming Al Green, boy. Okay, let me see. I don't see nothing there. That fast. Okay, we got Thomas Simmons in the house. I don't see nothing there. Uh-oh. Look out. You got that intake? Miss, this your first time, miss? You finna race? This yours? Oh, yeah? This hers, y'all. Miss, you on my YouTube channel? This is my YouTube channel. Look out racing. I be live. Yeah, we live, man. You could tell when some don't be wanting to be on camera, y'all. Hey, how you doing? You on my YouTube channel? Oh, he do? She said her boyfriend watch me. So they know Oh, snap, I go low, y'all. What's up with it, low? Nothing much. I'm ready. I'm over. Come on over here, man, so we can show them. Yeah, I'm trying to come on. All right. Show us the block. It was just a little small block. I ain't know whose it was. Well, this thing here clean. I seen him at the gas station. I'm that way though. This thing clean, y'all. Got student driving here. New Orleans watching. I got people from New Orleans watching. Let me go on over here and go get my battery pack, y'all, so I can be all the way prepared. Think I brung it. Well, I need to be all the way prepared. Right here. We ain't missed no race yet, y'all. They just doing the little bikes and stuff. We finna get right to it. We just letting everybody come on in here. We just letting everybody come in. Let me get this battery. Let me see. This whole. Okay, there go the charger. There go the pack. Uh-oh, where the pack at? Ah, did I bring the pack? Oh, the pack must be on the ground. Hey. Yeah, I think I done left. Did I leave that pack? Ah, man, here, hold it.
This is the truck right here on the right lane that won the $10,000 race a few weeks ago. Well, in March. And doing track madness.
I done left the pack. I found it. Boom. I found it, y'all. We good.
All right, the track is ready to go.
Alright. Hold on, let's go see this.